Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best motorbike carburetor is probably one of the most important components of your motorized bike, significantly impacting its performance, fuel efficiency, and overall riding experience. Choosing the right carburetor can mean the difference between a smooth, powerful ride and a frustrating, sputtering mess, so understanding its function and selecting the appropriate model based on your bike's engine size and riding style is crucial for maximizing your enjoyment and getting the most out of your machine. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect carburetor for your needs. Number 5. YOXUFA 2-stroke carburetor. This high-quality carburetor is built to last. Its durable metal construction ensures reliable performance for your motorized bike. It's made from high-quality metal, so it's tough and long-lasting. You can count on it for reliable fuel delivery. Manufactured under strict quality standards, it guarantees optimal fuel tank function. This ensures peak performance for your engine. For 6680 cubic centimeters engines, wrap several layers of thread tape around it for a secure fit. You might need to adjust the jet size if you're at a higher altitude. It comes with everything you need: the carburetor, air filter, fuel lines, fuel filters, a clip, and even a spark plug. Everything is included for a quick and easy installation. Always double-check compatibility before purchasing. We're here to help if you have any questions or issues after your purchase. What we like. It's built to last with high-quality metal, ensuring a long service life and reliable performance. If you need a tough and dependable carburetor that will stand the test of time, this is the one for you. This is perfect for those who prioritize longevity and consistent performance in their motorized bikes. What people say. Works great, easy to assemble. Good carburetor and spark plug. Easy install. Look good and works great. Good performance right out of box. Alright, the style of the air breather and the price. Number 4. KQTshangmao Carburetor Kit. This kit is designed for 49 cubic centimeters, 60 cubic centimeters, 66 cubic centimeters, and 80 cubic centimeters motorized bicycles. It's a perfect replacement for your old carburetor and throttle cable. The kit includes a brand new carburetor and a new throttle cable. Everything you need for a smooth installation. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. Get your bike running smoothly again in no time. It's made with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance and reliability. You can trust it to keep your bike running smoothly. Please double-check the appearance, size, and shape to ensure it matches your original parts. This will guarantee a perfect fit. We use reliable packaging to ensure safe transportation. Your purchase will arrive in perfect condition. What we like. This option is designed for ease of installation and comes with everything you need. If you value convenience and a straightforward replacement process, this is the ideal choice. It's a great option for those looking for a quick and easy upgrade to their motorized bike's carburetor. What people say. These always work good right out of the box, don't have to do much tuning. Works as described, fits well. No problems. Works perfectly. Number 3. BH Motorbike Engine Carburetor. Give your bike a performance boost with this new carburetor. It's designed to enhance your engine's efficiency and power output. This carburetor is specifically engineered for improved fuel delivery. Experience smoother acceleration and increased speed. It's compatible with a wide range of engine sizes, from 49 cubic centimeters to 80 cubic centimeters. It ensures a perfect fit for your motorized bike. This carburetor is designed for easy installation. You can quickly upgrade your bike's engine without any hassle. It's built with high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. Enjoy a reliable and consistent performance for years to come. This versatile carburetor works seamlessly with 49 cubic centimeters, 50 cubic centimeters, 60 cubic centimeters, 66 cubic centimeters, and 80 cubic centimeters engines. It's the perfect upgrade for your bike. What we like. It boasts compatibility with a wide range of engine sizes, making it a versatile option for many motorized bikes. If you have an engine of various sizes and need a carburetor that fits multiple models, this is perfect for you. This is a great choice for those who need a versatile and adaptable carburetor. What people say. Fit perfectly and was of same exact quality. Got my bike to running again. What I like about the YOXUFA carb, it has a functional primer plunger on the side and it's also easy to set the idle on it. Also a sturdy item that withstands time. This carb is made stronger. The fuel line attachment is better located. It is overall much better built. Number 2. BH Motorbike Engine Kit. Introducing a high-performance carburetor designed to boost your bike engine's power and efficiency. It's the perfect way to enhance your motorized bicycle experience. This vibrant red carburetor isn't just eye-catching, it's built for superior performance. Experience a noticeable improvement in your engine's responsiveness. It's meticulously crafted for two-stroke engines ranging from 49 cubic centimeters to 80 cubic centimeters. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your specific engine size. Designed for easy installation, it seamlessly integrates with your existing setup. Get ready to enjoy a smoother, more powerful ride in minutes. This carburetor is compatible with various two-stroke engines, including those with kick or pedal starts. Transform your bike into a high-performance machine. It's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation. Feel the difference as it delivers exceptional performance and reliability. What we like. This high-performance carburetor is designed to boost your engine's power and comes in a stylish red color. If you're looking for a performance upgrade that also adds a touch of visual flair, this is the one for you. This is ideal for those who want to enhance their motorized bike's performance and style. What people say. This appears the same outside as original, but the mount is different. I had to fashion an adapter to fit the flange-on motor. It works flawlessly and seems to have better acceleration. Used on my 49 cubic centimeters moped. Simply remove the old malfunctioning carburetor, replace with this carb, engine runs great. No need to spend more time and money troubleshooting or rebuilding old carb. These carburetors have a bigger jet than what comes with most engine kits, greatly improving performance. Number 1. JRL 80 cubic centimeters Bike Carburetor. Is your motorized bike lacking power? This carburetor is designed to give you a smooth, efficient ride. It's simple to install, fitting seamlessly onto your existing engine. Get back on the road quickly. This carburetor works with a variety of two-stroke engines, from 49 cubic centimeters to 80 cubic centimeters. It's perfect for bikes, scooters, and more. Experience improved fuel efficiency and increased power with this high-quality carburetor. Enjoy a better ride than ever before. Everything you need is included in the package. It comes fully assembled and ready to install. It's not just for bicycles. Use it on scooters, even skateboards, to power up your small gas engine projects. What we like. Its compact and low-profile design makes it easy to install and integrate into your setup. If you need a carburetor that's easy to fit into tight spaces, this is the perfect choice. This is a great option for those who value a compact and unobtrusive carburetor design. What people say. Install this carb on my 69 cubic centimeters motorized bicycle, it runs good. I took this one off my bike to install a better one, didn't work out so I ordered the exact same one. Oh, reliable. Came on time and well wrapped. Tried 2 other carbs, an original for that motor and a racing model. Motor would not run as it should, smooth and reasonable power. Put new HP ignition system, rebuilt the other 2 carbs and tried them again, but to no avail. Was at my wit's end, so decided to order a basic carb a step or 2 above the original. This was it and glad I did. Pulls good and runs smooth. Didn't even have to set the filing screw. Went right on with no hassle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.